All right, guys, what's up? We're in the shop here. It's late October, and we just got our very first shipment of GasGas motorcycles. They're still out here in the crates. Everybody knows these are KTMs now, but we haven't got to see one in person. We haven't got to look at anything except for some YouTube videos and some photos. So check these things out. So we have a 2021 GasGas EX250F and an MC65. So these things are new, they're fresh, and they're red. Let's get these crates moved in here and pop the tops and see what these things look like. Let's go. The anticipation is killing me. First, GasGas unboxing. Oh, look at that white rear fender. It almost looks like a oh wow. Oh wow. That is interesting. All right, let's get it out of here, see what it really looks like. I don't know, guys, what do you think? It definitely, the shroud definitely kind of resembles the Honda shroud of 17 to 19. I don't really like all the white back here, I don't think. It's kind of reminds me of like the 09 Hondas. They kind of went red to white. I love the red fork guards for sure. I like the red number plate for sure, and the red frame is sweet. I don't know. Let's get it out of this crate, let's get it put together, get it out in the sunlight. We'll take another look at it. Alright guys, here it is in full 4K. The 2021 GasGas EX250F. I wasn't sure when I first popped it out of the crate, but I'll be honest, the more I look at it, the more I like it. Probably my favorite aspect of the look is the front end. I love the red bar pad, red number plate, red fender, red fork guards. Matches up with the red WP rings. I love the silver wheels. I think the silver contrasts with the black way better. Looks way better than a black wheel. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but it's definitely my opinion. The way it kind of fades to white reminds me of like the 09 Hondas. Not really a huge fan of that. Could have done without that. They could have left the number plates white, but definitely would have preferred a red fender. I would really just prefer to red all that, but looks good. The only real differences I've noticed is there's no like mega bomb or power bomb expansion right here in the head pipe. There's a G on the clutch cover, and it's got kind of its own special design. Obviously the silver wheels and the different plastics, but everything else, that guy's going fast. Everything else pretty much the same. It's got this really cool little bar pad, and the bar pad and the foam, like the cover and the foam, are one piece, which is super cool because then it can't slide, or you know, it's always going to be lined up perfectly. So that's pretty cool. Still has Brembo brake components, whereas maybe some of the GasGas Enduro models might have some brake tech. They might try to save a little money there. Of course, the bars are silver, and they don't have a whole lot of rise to them. They're a pretty low bar, and the Huskies are a pretty low bar too. I mean, I think the KTMs are kind of low as well. I raised mine up and liked it a lot better, but besides that, it really just looks like a KTM. I kind of wish they would have did something different with the louvers here. I would have liked red. Mike says he would have liked white, but overall it's a super sharp look. For you guys that don't like orange and don't like all white, This gives you another option, another color option to get involved with the European brand. I love how they put the logo right there, like etched into the pipe. So this would, like I said, this is the EX250F, which would be equivalent to the KTM, like XC250. Another thing we noticed is the seat feels softer than the KTM's. It feels plusher for some reason. Yeah, definitely a sharp machine. No skid plate stock on this model, at least. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you dig these unboxing videos, because if you do, then I will probably keep unboxing the GasGases as they come in, so you can see what some of the different models have to offer. And but if you guys don't like these, I don't want to be super redundant. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.